Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your windscreen wipers. Dead easy job that requires no tools, so let's get into it. Right, as you can see we have the windscreen wiper in a 90-degree position. And you're literally going to get to your fingers like so, pop it down in one movement and then slide it across and pull it back up through its own gap. Right guys, so you have your new wiper blade here. As you can see, I've got a little tab in the middle and sort of pulled it out like so. And then we're going to go to your wiper arm, obviously have it extended like that, and see the little gap, that hole on the right hand side of this tab that my little finger's touching. You're going to pull that over like so, and then the plastic bit's going to tuck back under and then push back up again. It's all sort of one movement. It's a bit easier with two hands than with one, like so, and then you just feel a nice satisfying clip, and then you can swing it that way, and that is your front windscreen wiper reinstalled. And that is how to remove and replace your front windscreen wipers for the Ford Fiesta. Now next I'm going to show you the rear wiper, so join me at the back of the car. Right guys, to remove the rear wiper, it's very similar to the front. You're going to pull it back, pull it over. So after you've lifted the wiper arm up, you'll find a little plastic tab that you can squeeze down and pull it down like so, and back up and off. So that's how to remove your wiper. So you're going to get your new wiper like this. You're going to slide it into the hole which, looking down it, is the right hand hole where my index finger is. And slide it through like so, and then pull your plastic bit back up and clip it in. You heard that clip then, and that's your rear wiper reinstalled. I hope you found this video useful, everyone. If you're new around here, you're watching One Life Cars, and this is the channel where I teach you guys how to fix your car. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like these sort of tutorials, and give it a like too if you enjoyed the video. It does help. Other than that guys, until the next one, you're watching One Life Cars. Peace.